Om Shri Sai Ram, brothers and sisters. Today we are going to see another beautiful bhajan. Jai Jai Govinda Narayana, Jai Hari Govinda Narayana, Mathuradipate Mandara Giridhara, Murali Manohara Narayana. What is there to explain? All of us know. But this bhajan, it came on a Ekadashi day. Because Ekadashi we are supposed to sing the glory of Lord. Whether you say Narayana, Shiva, anything. And generally because our tradition, that Narayana, 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 Narayana. So that habit of childhood. Later we don't follow Ekadashi, or we may follow. But that childhood, God's remembrance, it plays a bigger role even after you grow much older. So you get it. And that day, it just came like that. Jai Jai Govinda Narayana, Jai Hari Govinda Narayana, Mathuradipate, Mandara Giridhara, Murali Manohara Narayana. So, as explanation, Narayana I have explained in a bhajan. Murali, all of us know. Manohara, all of us know the meaning. So everything we know the meaning. But the speciality was, it was on that Ekadashi day, this bhajan coming. And I have also explained about Mandara Giridhara. Because Lord lifts with his tiny finger the Mandaragiri to protect whole Gokulvasi. This we know. All of us know the story. In fact, in Sai devotees, there is anybody who doesn't know anything. Everyone knows everything. And I also explained what it means by Mandaragiridhara. And Lord's little finger, it's just symbolic to say, for God to lift the burden of the whole world, He doesn't have to use His strength at all. The little finger, you can't do anything in our thing unless until it is with all the fingers. But for Lord, even a small thing can do anything. So He lifts the burden of whole world. That means burden of all the living beings. When He is lifting, He is gracious, He is compassionate, He is everything. But all the more we will realize, when we destroy our mind and when we become empty like Murli, like flute, when we become empty, then we can see how Lord lifted that Mandaragiri, because we also become light and we also lift ourselves up with nothing. That is the secret of this whole Mandaragiri. Lord lifts with small finger. Why? Because He is empty. He is full. He is empty because of that He is full. Because He is empty, He is light. So for Him everything is light. Like with God's name, all the Vanaras threw the stone in the ocean to make bridge. It was light because God's name. Imagine God's name. Even God we can't imagine, but we know with God's name, throwing a stone and it starts floating. So, we too take God's name so much, then our mind also gets harana, it is destroyed, by which we become the flute of Lord. Murali, we become empty. After the mind is destroyed, then we feel very light. Are we all experiencing this? If we are not experiencing, then a long way to go. What is that long way? That each one of us have to work out. A bhajan is not just to be sung. Yes, we can sing it 1 time, 2 times, 1,000 times. Then what we experience by singing those bhajans, whatever bhajans, what we experience is mind getting emptied. By that, mind is destroyed, by which we become emptied. Then everything is light. So each one of us should take that sadhana of emptying the mind with God's name, then making our body as fruit. Then we too can lift anything in this world, because it is God's name which has made us light. And I pray to Swami to give that blessing to all of us, to have a light life and a life full of light. One is light, another is light. So may Him shower His grace on every one of us. Jai Sai.
Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Mathuradhipate Mandaragiri-dhara. Mathuradhipate Mandaragiri-dhara. Mathuradhipate Mandaragiri-dhara. Mathuradhipate Mandaragiri-dhara. Murali Manohara Narayana. Murali Manohara Narayana. Murali Manohara Narayana. Murali Manohara Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Narayana Sai Narayana. Narayana Sai Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Narayana Namo Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Hari Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Jaya Jaya Govinda Narayana. Mathuradhipate जय गोविन्द नारायण